Hey folks, JP here. How y'all doing out there? Hope you're having a great day because you know I'm doing my best to have one. Anyway, the video you're about to watch, I removed a colony that hadn't been there very long, maybe I'm guessing a couple of weeks at that. And they're in one of those big wooden spools. Sometimes they house cables, fiber optics, you never know. But I've removed bees from several of these things. Usually they're in really, really bad shape. This one wasn't in too bad a shape, and I'm just pointing this out because I know y'all going to make this observation on your own while you're watching it. So, in retrospect, this spool, if it was picked up or raised up off the ground maybe 3-4 feet, and the center boards, at least a couple of them, would have been taken out, then it would give you perfect access to where this hive was. I didn't do it that way. I was by myself, didn't have a jack, anything like that. But the easy way to do this is, again, to raise it up, maybe put it on blocks or something, and then you could remove 2 of the center boards, kind of like access to the wooden column. And you could probably take these boards off, just use your multi-tool or sawzall or whatever. And once you make some cuts at the top, you could probably pull the boards, they'll probably pop right out. So anyway, just wanted to make that observation. As you're watching this video, you'll probably think, well, that would have been an easy route to take. I didn't take that route. But anyway, still nonetheless, we were able to achieve our goal, which was to successfully remove this little colony and relocate them. And that's what we did. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Without further ado. Hey folks, it's JP. It's June 1st, 2016. I'm in Metairie, Louisiana, and we have a honeybee colony in this wooden spool behind us. We're going to open this thing up and put them in a nuke today. Hope you all enjoy the video. Is really about spools that they like so much, but I've removed bees from several spools in the past. Usually the spools are in bad shape though. This one it's got a little bit of rot, but I've removed bees from ones that had a whole bunch more rot than this. I did give the bees a little bit of smoke. I had one that landed on me, was buzzing around trying to bite me. That's right, trying to bite me. That's a warning. That's a bee. I don't want to be like that. That's telling me her displeasure, but without actually giving me a sting. Doesn't mean some other ones may not want to give me a sting, but she was just trying to bite me and buzzing at the spot, and I'll take that any day of the week. Okay, over getting stung. So, anyway. See these bolts here, there's 4 of them, and they move around when you try to take the nut off. So, usually you got to take these things apart. It's very nerve-wracking. I want to say labor intensive, but it's not really labor intensive, it's just kind of nitpicking. And I think I'm going to give it a little more fuel just to keep them at bay, because I'm really just vibrating that spool. I can't see them not getting PO'd at me. Let me grab a little more fuel for my smoker. Decided to get a little aggressive and got out the sawzall Okay, the Sawzall not only cuts wood, but it'll cut through metal, so multi-tools will not. Okay, multi-tools are great. They make a nice little cut. They hardly make any sawdust, but they're terrible. The blades instantly dull when they hit a staple or a nail. Anyway, we are picking at it, folks. Picking at it. So we got a lot of. Do we have a good bit of rod here? After all, more than I thought. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut these bolts right here. You better smoke them before you do something like that, folks, okay? I mean, it's not a big booming hive, huh? It'd be wearing me out right now. I guarantee you. It probably would be. Alright. Alright. Now. I'm going to get this board out now, okay? I think. Get half of it out anyway. For starters. Right. Rather intrusive job here. Hope they'll forgive me a little bit. Being so aggressive. Definitely going at it like a bull in a china shop here, folks. Yeah, these things don't come apart easy, okay? Alright, so now show y'all what it looks like at this point, okay? The old iPhone. See him in there? It's a collar. Okay. Some kind of way we have to, get into these void spaces to get the bees and the comb out. Alright. Alright then. Alright. A little smoke. Go. Look at that, folks. Hello. I got a nuke. I'm gonna put them in. Let me go grab the nuke. This is one of Uncle Bud's buds and those. Just got stung on the ear, folks. That didn't feel all that great. The smoke is kind of going out too. Well, damn. That hurt. Cover up that. So always smoke that spot to get that, cover that lawn pheromone. You know, some bees react more than others to the lawn pheromone. Alright. I can see the whole hive right now. I don't know if I can get it all out from just that one opening. I might try to pull this board too. And that probably will do it. Okay. So, let me pause this and I'll show you what it looks like with the iPhone. See it in there, folks? That's it right there. That's the whole thing. Okay. I'm going to get him to orient to this thing. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Alright. That will work. I see a couple of ligustrum trees in full bloom right now. And there's a Chinese tallow right next to it. And some elderberry. Here's the elderberry I was telling you about. And there's one ligustrum tree. There's another ligustrum tree, and that's a big tallow tree right there, okay? try to run them out and see if we can't find our clean. Definitely gonna move it. I'll put the nuke either right here or put it up on top. That's probably what I'm gonna do. Run the cage here. That way they can rob out. I'm gonna clean it up in here a little bit, but then I'll let them rob out some of that residual honey. There she is. Is. Go ahead, cages. Show on the road, as they say. Sorry, girl. Okay. There she is. Okay.
Is it okay if I come back here to weed eat a little bit?
Not right now, if you don't mind.
Okay, that's fine. I just want to know what you want. That's why I want to ask before I disturb anything you got going.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Alright, you're starting to go in. One way of doing it, folks. Okay, so this comb is really soft and new, so I didn't save any of it, and they really hadn't been here but maybe a couple of weeks, I'm gonna guess. We got the Chinese tallow flow in full swing. Like I said, I'm looking at ligustrum trees and some elderberry too, although I don't recall seeing them hitting elderberry too much over the years, but I mean, it does produce a nectar, but they're going to be going to the Chinese tallow and the ligustrums, I promise you on that. So they'll mildew comb just fine. And I'm going to leave a little bit of this stuff to let them clean it up, but not as much as you're seeing now. Okay? So we don't want to encourage maybe other bees in the area to come rob and fight with these. So we're just going to leave a little bit for them. But between that and the flows that we have going on, it should be good to go. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Another one from Jp The Beeman. I hope y'all having a great day, because you know I am. Doing my best to anyway. Until the next one.